My friend here, the Christmas cactus, is almost done blooming. The flowers are fading, and at this point, many people would just go ahead and deadhead all these flowers off, thinking that, well, it'll make the bloom period last even longer. But wait, stop. There's something very important you need to know about deadheading flowers, pruning plants, anything like that. Let me share that with you. Before you start pulling off blossoms from any kind of plant, the one thing you need to do first is to let them know that you care by saying, hey, is this a good time? In other words, you go ahead and pull on them. Hey, is this a good time? But if nothing pulls off, then it's not ready. Is this a good time? No. Is this a good time? No. Oh, yes. Thank you. Is this a good time? Yes. Is this a good time? There you go. Then, when you're all done, take your blossoms and put them in a compost bucket, right? Oops, I missed one. And say, thank you very much. I appreciate you. Have a great day. Cheers.